Owners of older condominiums in Singapore are usually very happy people because their homes are big and they likely bought it at a very good price. However, the clock is starting to tick. There is a time limit until this happiness runs out because of three important reasons. Firstly, as your condo ages, your maintenance costs will rise and you may even need to top up the sinking fund for upgrades. Next, for old leasehold condos, every year that goes by is a year of value lost on your investment as your balance of lease shortens. Lastly, especially for condominiums that are left with 60 years lease or less, your pool of potential buyers shrink drastically because of restrictions on CPF usage. All of these factors combined explain why older condominiums tend to have limited upside. Imagine you have a duck that lays silver eggs. This duck is now old and has stopped laying eggs. Would you keep the duck or sell the old duck to buy a newer goose that lay golden eggs? Let us know. That's it for today. This is Isaac, keeping property real for you. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to keep notified of our new content.